You're watching EDS TV. It's insane how fast airbags deploy. Also, that person deserves much worse than the slap on the wrist that they'll probably get. Kudos to the camera for excellent defensive driving, seeing that truck not slowing down. In their defense, all those giant right pointing arrows and signs that say right turn only are hard to see when you're busy texting. That curb was the first off road experience that truck has had. I can't believe the camera dodged that. It looked for sure like he sideswiped the camera's front corner. Good reaction time, especially that time of day on those long, boring roads. Not even pretending they haven't seen it, and not even waiting for the traffic to pass. I'm glad that the camera has a great sense of spatial awareness. I always get nervous in this bumper to bumper traffic when someone goes past the line and then the light turns red and then they back up but forget to put it back in drive for this very reason. I don't understand why he decided to back up in this situation though. Either way, he's an idiot. I see this all the time too. While they are idiots, I think traffic is partly to blame. I'm guessing that the light doesn't stay green anywhere long enough to let everyone through, and given the size of the intersection, stays red for a fairly long time. I'm not excusing the behavior at all, I'm just explaining why it's a thing to begin with. The driver was in a hurry and now he gets to wait. If I'm not mistaken, I believe the Navy says slow is smooth and smooth is fast. It looks like that driver wanted a good ramming. Yes, pun intended here. My guess would be texting on their phone. The camera's who will definitely be followed by another official who. The driver stayed on the left the entire time and then rushes to the right because they're gonna miss their exit. An absolute idiot.
What the? Are you kidding me? Take a video or something.
Take a picture before they like shoot you down.
The dude was in the stock NPC GTA car. In my opinion, he needs to step it up. The camera may have plates, but it's hard to make out with the rain and blur. The other driver did cut the camera off, but she was already partially out of the lane, and the camera knew she needed to get around the stalled vehicle. If he backed off just a little, this would have been a non-issue.
Here's one. Cold Stone.
Bro.
The amount of idiots who can't pause for 5 seconds to let someone park really makes my blood boil. The dude cuts across a median into the traffic lane and then has the audacity to brake check the guy he cut off. What a douche. I guess that driver didn't realize he wasn't driving a semi. Did that cop notice, or did they just continue on their way?
What an absolute.
The driver decided to come to a stop between an exit and the freeway and then tries to pull in front of cars going 60 miles per hour with barely any acceleration. That van driver definitely bent the rim and blew out the tire on this one.
Requires filers to disclose travel they accepted that was paid for by private sources or a foreign government.
Maybe you can help me out, but what was that unholy noise at the start of this clip? With that being said, and that aside, I'm surprised that the Jeep was able to see it coming and move out of the way.
In 1 mile, exit right to avoid the alien mouth trying to swallow you whole.
The camera's insurance company should lower his rates after seeing the camera's spatial awareness and reaction. In my opinion, it was an A+ effort. Great job accelerating out of that. Thank you for watching. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing because it really helps me. If you'd like me to feature one of your clips, please email it to originalddsTV2@gmail.com.